How to download music on Spotify. Spotify also lets you download songs on phone. So here is a guide on how to download songs on an iPhone. The process is similar to what you will find on the Android app. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Spotify app on your iPhone. Then simply open a playlist or album on Spotify. Then tap the down arrow icon at the top to start the download process. To download song individually, add the song to a playlist or like it. Then tap the download button as shown here of your playlist or your likes. Then you can find your downloaded Spotify songs from the same your library menu as shown here. Then, Spotify for iOS uses a different settings menu than Android. Here is how to change the download quality and keep your favorite albums offline. Then simply launch the Spotify on iPhone, then go to the settings in the upper right corner. Now select audio quality, then select the appropriate audio quality under the download menu. The higher the quality, the more storage space it uses on your iPhone. You can also turn on Spotify downloads using cellular data. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.